Hi, welcome back to this tutorial on API automation with Karate DSL. Now we have our folder structure. Let's see what are the dependencies required for us to create automation scripts for API automation. As we all know that the Maven dependencies must be listed under dependencies tag. Let's create that tag and let us navigate to the GitHub README file where we can see the description of what all the dependencies required in order to successfully run a test script. The path to the README file is github.com/intuit/karate. There we can see the Maven section which lists two dependencies. One is a Karate Apache and another is a Karate JUnit 5. So it is not mandatory for us to use Karate JUnit 5. We can also use JUnit 4, and also we can use TestNG also. But the TestNG support of Karate is limited, but it is possible to use TestNG along with Karate runner directly. So let us copy these dependencies and paste it in our dependencies section. So I'm downloading the dependencies. It's done. Let us see what all the dependencies downloaded as part of these two. So we have logback, JUnit, Jupyter Engine, and Karate Core, and HTTP client. We have all the necessary dependencies to get going.